If you need to delete a company on Whop, this video will walk you through the exact steps in a simple and safe way. Before we begin, make sure you are logged into the correct Whop dashboard and that you really want to remove the business, because this action is permanent and can result in data loss. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your Whop dashboard and look at the top left corner. Make sure you are viewing the correct business by using the selection modal, especially if you manage more than one company or workspace. This is important because you want to avoid deleting the wrong business by accident. Once you have confirmed you are in the right place, go to the left-hand navigation menu and scroll down until you find Settings. Click on Settings to open the core settings panel for that business. Now you will be taken to the settings page. From here, scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the screen. Whop keeps the delete option in the danger zone section, so keep scrolling until you see that label clearly. This section is usually placed at the bottom for a reason, since deleting a business is a serious action and should only be done when you are completely sure. Once you locate the danger zone area, look underneath it for the delete business option. Click on delete business to begin the removal process. As soon as you click it, a confirmation menu will appear. This warning is there to remind you that deleting the business may permanently remove data associated with it. Read the prompt carefully so you understand exactly what will happen next. If you are absolutely sure you want to continue, click the blue delete button to officially confirm the deletion. After that, Whop will process the request and the company should be removed from your account. At this point, it's a good idea to double check that you no longer need anything from that business, such as members, settings, or content, because once it is deleted, recovery may not be possible. If you are only trying to switch between companies and not actually delete one, stop here and go back before confirming anything. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete a company on Whop by going to Settings, finding the danger zone and confirming the delete business action. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.